doing today, and I am going to do something exciting because you know how Miss Renee rolls, and I always like to make an exciting day and have exciting things happening here on Miss Renee's garden. So this is going to be a tag video. Yep, you heard me right. It's going to be a tag video. And what kind of tag video are you saying it's going to be? Well, I am calling all my ladies. Where are all my gardening ladies? Because we're going to show the gardening community how us lady gardeners, how we get down in our garden. Hashtag taking care of business. So all you have to do is tag 3 people, and those 3 people are going to show us how they get down in their garden. Whether it is weeding, whether it's watering, whether it's harvesting, whether it is redesigning their garden, whether they are cutting down trees, bushes, whatever it is to keep that garden looking fresh and clean. It doesn't matter. We just want to show the garden community that us ladies, we know how to take care of business in our garden. Hashtag TCB. And we're going to tell them, hey, this is how we get down in our garden. So I'm going to start it off right. I'm going to start it off not with 3 people, but I'm going to start it off with 6. Yes, 6 people. All right. You want to know who my 6 people that I'm going to tag will be? Well, of course, you know it's going to be my ride and die gardening Bernie. Oh yeah, gardening with Bernie. I tag you. So Bernie, how do you get down in your garden? And then it's going to be Urban Girl Gardening Kiki. Show Miss Renee how you get down in your garden. And then Bougie Prepper, you know I'm coming for you, girl. You got to show me how you get down in your garden. And then it's Andell Homestead in the Colony. Can't leave you out. We always want to know how you get down in your garden. And then Misunderstood Gardening, you know I'm coming for you. We need to see how you get down in your garden. We already know you're the Terminator. You're the baddest Terminator out there taking out them bugs. So we already know that you're going to show us how you really get down in your garden. And then don't forget about you, Mama J. Oh yeah, I am looking at you, and I'm surely coming to get you because I love to see how you get down in your garden. So show Miss Renee. Show me how you get down in your garden. And hashtag what? Taking care of business, TCB. So whenever you get ready to tag that person, you're going to have your trowel and you're going to throw that trowel to the person that you are tagging first. Just like when I tag Bernie, I'm going to say, Bernie, show me how you get down in your garden. And bam, I'm going to throw that trowel and she's going to catch it and she's going to say, challenge accepted, Miss Renee. I am definitely going to show you how I get down in my garden. So I am so excited about putting this tag out there because I know you guys are going to make me proud. I know it's going to be exceptional. I know we are going to rock this tag. And any other gardening ladies that want to participate in this tag, come on. I'm opening it up to everyone. I want to see how you get down in your garden. I want to make sure that everybody knows that us women, us lady gardeners, we definitely know how to get down in our garden. Yes, we do. Let's just take the dirt off of our shirt and off of our hands and let them know, hey, hashtag TCB, taking care of business. All right, so I'm going to come back later and I'm going to show you how Miss Renee gets down in her garden. Are you ready for it? I know you are, because I am ready to show you how I sweat, how I work, and how I get down in my garden. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little bit to show you. I'm about to take care of business, baby. Yep, TCB. All right, see you in a minute. Trowel in hand, ready to pass it to the next person. And we already know who that is, Bernie. So Bernie, get ready. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. Girl Renee, and I am about to show you how Miss Renee gets down in her garden. Hashtag TCB, taking care of business. I'm going to show you about 5 ways Miss Renee throws down in her garden. First one being this crazy weed that has been growing in the cracks of my garden, which is a no-no. So I got my little weed killer, and Miss Renee is going to spray all this weed to get it gone. Because you know what? We can't be having this growing in Miss Renee's garden. That is not going to work for me. So, baby, you got to go because you are taking away from the beauty of Miss Renee. And I am the weed terminator. I am going to get rid of this weed. Say goodbye, weed. Say goodbye. You are out of here. So this is just one way Miss Renee takes care of business and how I get down in my garden. So on to the next thing I got to take care of in my garden. So get ready, people, because Renee is about to go down and get busy with problem number 2. Guys, it's your girl Renee, and I am about to take care of business by getting those long arms of those roses off of my rose bush, because those arms are trying to grow to the sky, and that ain't happening in Miss Renee's garden. So you know what? This is how Miss Renee gets down in her garden. So just watch me work. Watch me take those rose stems off my arbor, because you know what? That don't look, that don't make Miss Renee's garden look good. So watch, I'm about to take care of business and get rid of those little roses that think that they gonna be growing to the sky in Miss Renee's garden. Got my gloves on, I got my snippers on. Let's get busy. All right, you guys, taking care of business. Problem number 2, gone. All right, moving on to my next taking care of business in Miss Renee's garden. Because you know what? This is how your girl gets down in her garden. Look at that beautiful arch right there. Now that's what I'm talking about. I took care of my business and got that arch back to where it needs to be. All right, guys, moving on to taking care of business number 3. coming up. Guys, this is another mission of taking care of business in Miss Renee's garden. This one is a masses of roots and weeds that have grown because of Mother Nature's miracle water. But you know what? Miss Renee is going to take care of business getting rid of these weeds. So let's get strapped up. Let's get geared up so we can get this bad boy done. All right, here we go. You got to be fully protected, which I am with my gloves, because when you got a bunch of weeds like this, you don't know what's living in this jungle. But you know what? After I'm done, it's going to be a tamed jungle. All right, let's get rolling. Look at this massive weed gone. This one. I'll be back. I need a special tool to tame this jungle. All right, I'll be right back. This is taking care of business number 4. Check this out. I have taken all the weeds from behind. I am starting to trim the flower pots that have all the old flowers that are spent and need to be taken out. And now I'm going to continue and show you how I get rid of old flowers here. Try to do it with one hand. You see me? I'm just snipping off the dead. Rid of the weeds because I don't no longer need those. Pull out the old and hopefully I will get some new, because that's what we do over here in Renee's garden. Try to keep everything nice, fresh looking, uniformed. And even though you have blooms, sometimes they have to be sacrificed in order to let the new blooms come out. So, what do you think? It's gonna be beautiful. Gotta get my garden back because July is always the hardest month for me. This is when it's the hottest. And it's like no joke over here. So it looks good. We got rid of all those weeds in the back. Trimmed up the hydrangea. It's looking good. Just finished trimming up my pot. So taking care of business job number 4 is completed. And the last job that you know you always got to do when you're outside taking care of business is to rake up all this trash, all the debris that you have cut in your garden. And look at my cart. Tell me that Renee hasn't been taking care of business over here in Renee's garden. Look at gloves there. Got my snippers. I got my lobbers. I got my favorite tool, the whole hula hole. Got my bag ready to be overrun with all this weeds that the birds keep giving me. But you know what? That ain't gonna stop me. Hey you guys, this is your girl Renee, and I am done with taking care of business, hashtag TCB, and showing you how I get down in my garden. I am tired, I am sweaty, I am ready to be done getting down in my garden. So all I have to do is get rid of all this weeds, put them in my bag, and baby, I will be done. So, Birdie, get ready, girl, because I'm coming your way. All right, you guys, let me finish bagging up all this debris that I have, and then I am going to be so happy that I know I got down in my garden. All right, let me pick up a few things, and then I'll be passing that trowel to Birdie. All right, here we go. All right, I'll be right back to pass my trowel to Birdie. All right, guys, see you in a little bit. Bird, are you ready? Are you ready to show me how you get down in your garden? Here is the trowel. I'm ready to tag you. We'll do it on three. A one, a two, a three.